Have you ever noticed that adjectives have a special order when we describe something? We naturally say, a beautiful old house, but not an old beautiful house. There's a reason for that. Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about the order of adjectives. Let's get started. English follows a specific sequence for adjectives, and today, I'm going to show you how to master it. Here's the order we usually follow. Number 1. Determiner. Determiners are articles, like a, an, and the. Also, possessives, like my, your, his, her, our, its. For quantifiers, like some, several, many, and all. And demonstrative, like this, that, these, and those. While number, cardinal like 1, 2, and 3, or ordinal like first, second, and third. Opinion like beautiful, ugly, amazing. Size like big, small, tiny. Age like old, young, ancient. Shape like round, square, narrow. Color like red, blue, green. Origin like American, Italian, Japanese. Material like wooden, plastic, and silk. Purpose like sleeping bag, racing car, writing desk. That's why we say a lovely small Italian restaurant rather than an Italian lovely small restaurant. Here's a simple trick. Start with what something feels like, then describe its physical traits. And don't worry, it comes naturally the more you practice. Okay, let's test what you've learned. Arrange these adjectives in the correct order. Plastic, amazing, red, toy car. Type your answers in the comments. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about the order of adjectives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!